Daddy, look! The store is so crowded. Should we visit another one?
No, it's okay, Lucy. I want to see my best friend too. We haven't talked in a long time. Today is a good change.
Oh, Uncle Mike. I remember him. He's got a bushy beard. I'm curious if he still keeps it now.
I'm sure he does. He's always proud to talk about it if anyone accidentally asked him. Hi, Mike. How are you doing, man?
Oh, my buddy, I'm great. It's such a big surprise. How have you been?
Yeah, nothing too much. I'm still a husband and the dad of a little daughter. Say hello to Uncle Mike.
Hello, Uncle Mike. Your beard is still the same. It's even bushier.
See, I told you he would rather cut off his finger than his beard.
Haha, you know me so well, man. But how can you remember what my beard looks like? If my memory serves me right, we just met once when you were 3 years old. Yeah. Do you want to treat Lucy?
No, please. She just came back from the dentist.
Oh, really? What happened? Please, Dad, don't say anything that embarrassing. It's okay if you don't want to talk about it. So, what can I get for you?
3 cartons of milk, please, and a lot of cheese. Some eggs as well.
Sure. What type of milk?
Our family 2% reduced fat milk.
How many eggs do you need?
A dozen, please. Oh, I also want some more white bread. Do you have it?
I'm sorry that all the bread was sold out this morning. Do you want anything else?
A big bag of cornstarch and 2 bottles of cooking oil.
Are you going to make a cake or something?
Yeah, Lucy wanted me to make her a birthday cake for next week.
Wow, you have the best dad ever, Lucy. I do indeed. Can you buy me some strawberry, Daddy? They look so fresh. Yeah, the strawberry have just come for an hour. Many of our customers adore it.
I'm not into fruits very much, but I will buy some.
How much strawberry would you like to try?
A half of a kilo. Oh, maybe a bunch of bananas too. They would be great for the fruit salad that I'm about to make for dinner.
Okay, here you are. Would that be all?
Can we go around to check if there is anything else that we missed?
Yeah, feel free to ask me if you need help with anything. Now I have to do something. Bing bong, it's reader times, guys. Everyone, please gather around my counter. What's that, Daddy?
It's real time. The homeless are coming around every 2 hours to wait for it. Mike will choose 3 people at random and present them with a quiz. If the answer match, they can pick whatever they want in the store in 3 minutes. Of course, for free.
Free? Wow, can I play too?
No, Lucy, it's for the poor. Are you poor?
Kind of, Daddy. I could not make money by myself. So I guess I am one of them.
Look, Mike picked 3 men for the competition. Let's listen to the question.
Okay, the first question for you is, I had 10 apples in the fridge. Then I ate 5 of them. How many apples were left? 5. The answer is 5. 5 apples were left. Correct. Okay, Take the basket behind you and grab whatever you want in the store. Wow, it's so interesting. Look, Dad, he got a full basket. But the question is so easy. It's even easier than my math problem at school. Why, Daddy?
Most of the homeless did not have a chance to go to school, honey. Moreover, Mike wanted all the homeless to win the reward. He doesn't want them to go out with disappointment.
Yes, I think they would be very happy.
Of course they are. All of those products will be enough for them for the whole month. Besides that, they don't feel like they got it for free. Indeed, they put effort into achieving what they wanted. It's kind of a moral lesson.
Okay, congrats to all the participants today. Please come back after 2 more hours. We just got some new sausages. You will like it for sure. What you did to the pool is so amazing, Uncle Mike. You are my hero. No, I'm not a hero or Superman. I'm just a small man who wants to do the big thing for the small people.
Mike is right, Lucy. You don't have to be a superhero to say the word. You can start with each little thing that you do every day. Then you will be surprised at how you have changed people's lives afterward.
Oh, it's so meaningful. I remember already, Daddy.
Wonderful. Okay, how much is it, Mike? We also take a pack of chips.
Okay, let me see. It's $40. How would you like to pay, cash or credit card?
I'll pay by credit card.
Oh no, our card machine had an error again. Can you please pay with cash?
I don't have enough cash with me. Let me withdraw the money. I'll be back in 5 more minutes. Can Lucy stay with you in the meantime?
Sure, no problem at all. Lucy, come in here. Yes. What do you do in the store every day, Uncle Mike? Well, I woke up very early in the morning at around 3 or 4 o'clock to prepare the item and arrange them on the shelf. Huh? I was still sleeping at that time. Then I opened the store at 6 o'clock. My job are to welcome customers, answer their questions, help them with local items, and provide advice or recommendations. What are all of those machines? This is a scanner to check the item prices. This is the electronic scale to measure weight. And this is a cash register where I receive money and give a change. Can I try to use the scanner? Sure. Do you see the code on each item? Just scan it under the machine. The monitor will show you the price, but you need to type in the quantity by yourself. Oh, I see. My daddy's back. Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Lucy. Do you have a great time talking to Uncle Mike?
Yeah, he told me about his daily life and how to use the machines. Did you get the money?
I'm sorry, Mike. There's something wrong with my credit card. I called the bank and they said that I needed to be there by tomorrow for some checking. Can I pay you later? It's okay. You can pay whenever it's good for you. Oh, I'm really sorry for any inconvenience I caused.
Haha, it's just $40.
Thank you so much. Lucy, let's go.
Goodbye, Uncle Mike. See you later. Bye, Lucy. See you.